Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video, and here I'll be teaching you how I make my first lash special flyer. So here I'm going to go on a new design flyer template, and here I'm going to go on elements. I'm going to search for a square shape to cover all of this page. I'm going to turn it into pink, and I'm going to stretch the end of it across all the page so that all the page is covered. Here you see me sizing it up till it covered all the page. Now I'm going to go on another square shape, but I'm going to turn it into rectangle and separate it across this page so that the pink is showing and the white. Now I'm going to go and find a light pink shadow in the elements. You see me scrolling for the perfect one, but I found one, but this wasn't the match that I was looking for, so I deleted and I use another one. Now I'm going to use this one and cover all this page and turn on the transparency to about 80%. Now your background should look like that. Now I'm going back to elements in the frame section, and I'm going to search for a picture frame type, and it should look like this, guys. And I duplicate it into three sets of frame, and I want the two of them to be behind the first frame. So you're going to see me here adjusting and fixing it until it's perfect and not look all over the place. It's just perfect and fitting with the background. So it should look like this. Now I'm going to add an heading, and I'm going to use Poppins. Guys, Poppins my favorite font to use, and I'm going to use the regular, or you can use the light, but I think I use the light in this one. Yeah, I use the light here. And now I'm going to change the font color to pink, and the effects that we're using is drop effects, and I turn up the transparency, the blur, and the offset, so you can see it should look like this, and it should be at this exact size. And there are type lash special. I'm going to duplicate that same font, and now I'm going to delete it because I need a sub-heading font, and I'm going to pop in extra light. And I did change the color for this font, but I eventually changed it back to black because the color that I was going for wasn't it for the background, guys. It wasn't it. So now I'm going to type in, I'm going to size it down. I should not pause the red area. Let me be clear. The red area around this page should not be crossed no time. Okay? So now I'm going to type Europe brown here. And now I'm going to change that color, that font color, to white, and use the effect neon. Turn up the intensity and all of that, and now I'm going to space it out to 218. That's the spacing out of size of it, guys, and it should look like this. Now I'm going to duplicate that same font, and I'm going to clear it out, and I'm going to type only valid if you book an appointment. Guys, you can write any message here, but this message works for me. So yeah, and here you can see me sizing it up just a little under that lash special font there. Now I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to type in, I also was looking for a pink background too, guys, you know, the one that's dope with it, that's match it. But here you're going to see me struggle to put it backwards beyond these frames and beyond the words, but I don't want it too backwards so that I can't see it in the background as well. So you're going to see me fixing until it's perfect. There you have it. It should look like this, guys. And now I'm going to duplicate that last special font, clear that out, and I'm going to write Mondays only, and I'm going to size that down, and I'm going to size it down and then space it out and size it down once more and until it's perfect. Now I'm over the elements section and I'm typing in white arts. Guys, the white art that I need is supposed to be filled. The filled white arts. So that it doesn't blend in with the background that you can't see. So it should look like this. I put one at the left, one at the right. Okay. Now I'm going to type in over the element section white curve arrow. Even though I need the black one because the black stand out more than the white, but I was thinking the white do match with the background as well. So you're gonna see me here struggling to see which one would fit best for the background and that you can also see as well. But the white definitely matched the background, as now I'm looking back at the video while vicing over. So yeah, drop in the comments and let me know what you think about which arrow would be best here, otherwise from what I'm going to choose next. And here it is. I found a perfect arrow, guys. I flip it until it's perfect for what I'm about to do, and then I just slant it to it can match, and yeah. Now I'm going to go to uploads and I'm uploading 3 photos, and I don't know these photos from Pinterest. Now I'm going to add them in those frames. All you gotta do is tap on them, they will eventually come on the page. You just move it around till it's reach into the frame. Now I'm going to search set elements for black shadow. It should be like this, guys. It's a rectangle though, but you're going to size it up and down until it's perfect. Here you're going to see me try to get it in the background. It should look like this. Perfect. You're not supposed to be obvious that it's a black shadow. It should be blend in beautifully. Now I'm going to duplicate that Monday's Only font and put it at the end of each frame part, and I'm going to type pick any service. But you can also right there choose any service. It's entirely up to you, guys. You can write anything there. You can write 50% off or today, or I'm just throwing ideas out there. But I think the 50% off, definitely sound like something can work. But I don't know, guys. I might change mine later again and see the outcome. But let me know in the comments what you think. Here I'm going to duplicate the lash special font and type book now. And here you see me search for a white rectangle box, but I'm going to change it to white circle. I think the circle would be better, but because the font is so big, the circle is not going to fit, because it also have to be big as well. So it doesn't work none at all. So here's where I'm going to just draw back for the rectangle box, and I'm going to find the perfect one, a white one with the back a black shadow at the back of it. So yeah, this is perfect one, guys. It's already perfect, guys, but the thing is it go over the text, and now I'm trying to get it backwards, and it should look like this. Yeah, now I'm going to size that down, but first I'm going to go over there, search for the click icon, and put it on the right hand side at the end part of the box. So it should look like this, guys. I'm gonna duplicate that same font from under the frame and type $20 required. You can type anything there. You're gonna also put 50% off today, or 50% off for the week, or something. But this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to duplicate that same font and put it at the bottom there and write www.yourwebsite.com. Guys, it's as simple as that, guys. All you gotta do is just play around with it until it's perfect, and that's what I do, and I just record it at the same time. Let me know in the comments, guys. This is what it should look like. Bye.